Good morning to you. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. Oh, the birds are okay, not be perching, no, chirping. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Thursday. Alright, in the last vlog I told you guys that my mirror was supposed to be delivered to me today, and it still will. I also called the carpenter to help me make my TV console. That's supposed to be delivered to me today as well. Fingers crossed anyway, because the man called me this morning to say, oh, it's been raining and you know that wood rain not supposed to touch him. So that's already an excuse. That's a sign that it might not come today. So better just don't get your hopes high. But yes, welcome to another vlog. I'm in my kitchen because I want to make stew this morning. I went to the freezer this morning and I realized that everything there was so frozen to the point that one of my plastic plates broke. And then my yogurt stay inside. The thing just break because the ice when they that freezer too much. But yeah, I turned off the freezer because I mean it was just really difficult even getting my meat out. Hold on. Trying to get this meat out this morning was a struggle. My tomato puree frozen. I'm just like, okay, better just bring these things out, defrost them. I actually just finished filming a video for Austin Betha, so I left this out of the freezer so that it can defrost a bit, but it still be like stone. Okay, the thing never soft to go anywhere. But yes, let me just sort out this stew wahala, and once the mirror gets here or whatever happens today, I will let you guys know. Okay, because to be honest, I don't have an idea as to what this vlog is gonna be about. I want to go and take out this hair. I know I'm even tired of saying things about my hair, but the thing is, I have a potential meeting which I'm so excited about, and I cannot carry this hair because I don't get edges for front, so I need to look pink. Okay, so be like saying a wig I go where I go. I'm just going to take out this my locks and just have my hair cornrowed for me so I can wear my wig and all of that. Hopefully that meeting comes to pass. You guys pray for me. I'm super excited. I'm praying that it happens because it's going to make me so excited, and I know that when I tell you guys, you're going to be very excited for me. So yes, fingers crossed. Let me sort out this tomato and pepper that is looking at me, okay?
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, the TV console was fixed a few days ago. I forgot to show you guys after it was done, but I just really want to mention something, yeah? I didn't like the fact that this place was open and I could see all these wires. I don't think I thought about this thing properly, because I did remember that, you know, we had to open that part up so we can put all these wires. And the whole idea is I don't want to see wires. Like, I hate seeing wires. So what I did was I gave the man some more money to go get this thing done. So he's supposed to come and fix it. So everything is going to be covered. Also, I don't like the fact that he used brown wood for the stand. So I'm going to spray paint it white once I'm done. And you guys can see this hole here. We're going to have to close it. This is where we had the other shelf, so we have to close that up and maybe repaint. Not maybe, we have to repaint the whole sitting room once we're done. But yeah, I like the TV console. It's really simple. I hate bulky things, which is why I went for this. Okay, of course you guys can see one of the plants. This is the only one in the sitting room. I think I might even move it maybe when I'm done. I intend getting more plants actually, but you know. But then this is also the mirror that I made. Is far up in the sky. Okay, well, it's not up in the sky, but it's really high. Hi guys, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I really love it. You know, it's full length. In fact, you can't be taller than my mirror. It's not possible here. So I love it. I love how this is turning out already. But yeah, this is about the only thing I can show you guys now, because again, it's like one step at a time, and like I said, I'm going to show you guys as soon as I am done and all of that. So yes, I'm going to the market now with my sister. I want to go and look for yam. Because I want to eat yam, and I know that yam is really expensive. So expensive. But yeah, we still have to go and buy the yam now so that we can eat it today. Then I also want to get extensions because I want to braid my hair. I'm tired of wearing wigs. You guys already know by now I don't like wigs that much. I do not like wigs. Like, I do not joke with my braids and all. But yeah, let's go. I've talked too much already. I'm very hungry. I'll talk to you guys when I'm done or just when I remember. Okay? Bye guys.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is the attachment I got this Darling Superstar in caramel. I know some of you will ask me now, that's why I'm showing it to you. This is caramel, and then this one is color 35. So I'm mixing both of them together because this is going to tone this one down as well, but still even mixing it, you know. So this is what it looks like, just in case you're afraid but I won't be too sharp. No, it will not be too sharp. It actually looks very nice. I think the flash is not doing justice to this color, but it actually looks nice and I love it. So yeah, guys, the carpenter just left here now. He just came to fix this, like I explained to you guys earlier. You know, I told you I did not like all these wire things, and I think this is a lot better now, you know. So we have that all the way. So this is like storage, you can put stuff here, and then this is also storage. You know, this is the only place we have all those wire things. I hate this place, but I mean, this is going to cover it up now. So yeah, I love it now. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm done making my hair. Obviously I covered it because I'm about to cook, but I'll show you guys maybe once I'm done cooking and all of that. I mentioned that I was going to get yam and all of that. So yes, we got the yam, and I want to make my green pepper sauce. I think I've shown you guys this recipe before. I think I have. If I have, I'm going to leave the card somewhere here or here, so you guys can click on the full recipe. That's if at all I don't end up showing you guys the full recipe here today. But let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm really hungry. I've been craving yam and I just cannot wait, because this green pepper sauce is the truth. Okay, like, trust me, if you haven't tried it before, please, I beg you, try it. If you do not like it, come and tell me better you do not like it. Okay, let me just show you guys, because I'm really hungry and I cannot wait. Okay, all right guys, so these are basically some of the things we'll be needing for this sauce. Well, most of the things, because the other things are just salt and seasoning cubes. All right, now in this plate I have my chopped onions, I have my chopped spring onions as well. I have 4 bulbs of green bell peppers. I already took out the seeds. You know, I washed them properly and deseeded them. And then I have some semi-ripe scotch bonnet. If you have the green ones, please go ahead to use that. I couldn't find that, which is why I opted for this one. You don't really need the very ripe peppers, okay? And then of course, to blend and cook, we have some vegetable oil in here. Now what I'm going to do is transfer all of this into my blender here and then blend with vegetable oil, not water. Okay, so this is going to serve as the oil for both blending and cooking. Just to transfer my pepper mix into this pot. I did not add any water or anything. I just poured directly from my blender into this dry pot. Okay, and what I'm going to add to this is my blended ginger. If you have fresh ginger, then you might as well blend it alongside the peppers. For me, I have grounded ginger, so I'm just going to add the quantity that I need for this particular sauce. And then once it fries up a bit, we're just going to add our seasoning cubes and salt, and that will be it for this particular green sauce. Like I said, you don't need a lot of ingredients for this. Okay. Now once you've done that, you want to make sure to cover your pot, because if you do not cover this stuff, it's just going to keep splashing everywhere, and you don't want your kitchen to be all messy just because you're making a pot of green pepper sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this now and cook till the oil begins to float on top, until the color of the pepper begins to turn black. We want that olive sort of color, because that's how we know that the green pepper sauce is ready. All right guys, as you can see, the oil is beginning to float at the top of the pot, but you need to make sure to stir this from time to time, because it's really quick to burn. You don't want your pepper sauce getting burnt already, because you have a long way to go Now what I'm going to do is add my seasoning cubes and my salt. That's basically all I'm going to be adding to this mixture. So let me just go ahead and do that. Now you want to stir everything properly and cover to continue cooking. You know how you fry your okada sauce? That's how you want to fry this. You really want this to be black, or especially if you do not have a fridge where you can refrigerate this, you really want to take your time to fry. Even if you have a fridge, please fry it for a lot longer because it tastes a lot better when you do that, okay? Guys, at this point I'm just going to turn off the heat because this is good enough for me, especially since we're going to be using all of it now. It's not just me, my sister, my brother. It's not a lot of sauce, so this is going to be enough for us now. Imagine if I was leaving it for another time. I'm going to fry for a little longer, but since we're not doing that, then this is good enough, okay? I'm going to come back to you guys when I finally dish my yam and my sauce so that you see how it looks together. Alright guys, my lunch, I've been waiting. I want to call this one now, whether our brunch or been our lunch, it's served, but it looks really good. This is what my sauce is looking like. You guys can see the olive color I was talking about, and of course I'm going to consume all this yam. Nobody should ask me why. Oh god, they wire me, and I've been craving yam. So yes, this is what it looks like. Let me know if you're ever going to try this sauce out. It's really simple but also very, very tasty. Like, I'm not even lying to you guys, okay? Anyways, let me just eat and mind my business. I will talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I forgot to show you what my hair looked like, which is why I inserted this video from Austin Betha. Now this is the color, this is what it looks like. I love it, and I know you guys love it. You've been asking me, oh Betha, what colors did you mix together? I hope you guys have seen it now. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. If you enjoyed watching it, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Click on the like button if you did like it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.